All right, building a startup in 500 days, day 255. So we got rejected from the App Store, which I kind of expected was going to happen. I've had a lot of experience getting rejected in the past. So it seems like since we have user generated content, we have to add in a flagging system, which I forgot about. Um, and then we had these mock-ups from Figma that I was using to design on, and I guess those got rejected too because it doesn't mimic exactly the app experience. Like the icons are different on the bottom, so I didn't realize they were going to be that strict about it. But so I need to do that. I mean, I'm honestly might just take screenshots, even though, um, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to manufacture screenshots somehow. So that is a to do for me. And then I sent over the manager version. So I think Zach's going to take a look at it tomorrow for an onboarding situation to test out that flow. And then Stan did it today. And he actually did come across some things I need to fix. So I just did those tonight. Um, it's really complex, like the whole permissions thing on how we set it up. So I don't know. I'm really intrigued about this first test. I feel like there's going to be a lot that we can improve on and fix, and which, is the whole point of test anyway. So I'm super excited to get that underway so that we can just like quickly refine some of this stuff and also get a better sense of how people really want to use it when it's in their hands. And then I also, so I tried to make, so I did actually make a new domain. I told y'all yesterday. But that was using Canvas, the bubble template, which is what I used for the original one. But the new daily thing, a lot of it's going to actually be around case studies, which kind of feeds into the app. Like it's kind of full circle. So I looked to see if there were other templates for blog kind of style, and there was one that actually looked pretty dope. So I just created a new app using that template. So tomorrow I want to really dive in to see if we can construct something around there. But I think that actually might be clutch um, as a way to build something that actually looks decent rather than be trying to like put in a bunch of different components. And then it's February 1st, which is hype. So I did just like recalibration on this month's priorities. I'm looking at them right now. So for daily, we have get the first case study live, start the newsletter also, which is where we're going to like, send out the case studies, such stuff like that. And then I also have daily TikTok plus IG reel once the first case study's done. So one of the things that I'm hyped about that for is that there's a lot of opportunity to use that as marketing fuel too, because there's familiarity to it, right? Like we're going to be debriefing on popular creators, so just the name association will probably hook people in more easily than me just talking to the camera for like the 100th time about like looking for more beta testers kind of thing. So yeah, stoked about that. And then for day to day, we have test and refine based on feedback. So really just getting into people's hands and refining as we go. Overall solid day following the journey. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.